Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spark plug wires for the 5.3 Silverado that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium upgrade, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the ACDelco 8 pieces spark plug wires set. This set is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including the Chevy Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, and more, making it a versatile choice for V8 engine owners. The standout feature here is its premium quality silicone insulation, which is both heat-resistant and designed to minimize magnetic interference. This ensures stable voltage transfer, giving you smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. When it comes to design and build quality, the wires feel robust and durable. The silicone boots are thicker than most competitors, offering excellent protection against wear and tear from high engine temperatures. However, the wire diameter isn't as thick as some premium options, which might limit its lifespan under extreme conditions. The set includes direct fit connectors, which means installation is straightforward even for less experienced users. Performance-wise, the ACDelco wires deliver reliable ignition, but they might not match the ultra-low resistance levels seen in higher-end models. This makes them a solid mid-tier option for daily drivers who want decent performance without breaking the bank. The downside? The limited customer feedback, with only 46 ratings, makes it harder to assess long-term reliability. Overall, these wires are great for someone looking to replace their stock wires without splurging on premium alternatives. Pros: affordable, heat-resistant silicone, wide compatibility. Cons: fewer customer reviews, thinner wire diameter. Coming in at number 4, we have the A Premium High Heat Spark Plug Ignition Wire Set. If you're looking for a spark plug wire set that balances affordability with solid performance, this one is worth considering. Designed for compatibility with a wide range of Chevy and GMC vehicles, this set is particularly well-suited for the 5.3 Silverado. It's constructed with high-quality copper wiring for excellent conductivity and features a durable silicone jacket that can withstand high engine temperatures. In terms of design, the A Premium wires are slightly thinner than some competitors, with a diameter of 7 millimeters. While this might raise concerns for those in extreme driving conditions, for most everyday drivers, it's more than sufficient. The connectors are designed for a snug fit, and the installation process is straightforward. It's worth noting that this set comes with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, which speaks to the brand's confidence in its product. Performance-wise, the A Premium wires offer consistent spark delivery, leading to smoother engine operation and better fuel efficiency. However, they don't quite match the ultra-high-strength Kevlar cores found in some higher-end models. This set is an excellent choice for those on a moderate budget who still want a reliable upgrade over stock wires. Pros: affordable, good warranty, durable construction. Cons: thinner wire diameter, mid-tier performance. At number 3, we have the JDMSPEED high-performance spark plug ignition wire, a popular choice among Silverado enthusiasts. This set features a 10.2mm spiral wound design, which is thicker than most standard wires, ensuring ultra-low resistance and excellent EMI RFI suppression. The Kevlar core and high-temp silicone boots make these wires incredibly durable, even in the harshest conditions. Plus, the 1-year warranty adds peace of mind for buyers. The JDMSPEED wires stand out for their build quality. The thick 10.2mm diameter not only enhances durability, but also contributes to better spark delivery. The silicone boots and sleeves are heat-resistant, making them perfect for high-performance engines or those operating in extreme climates. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the direct fit connectors, and the wires are compatible with a wide range of vehicles from Chevy, GMC, and beyond. Performance-wise, these wires shine. They provide consistent spark delivery, leading to noticeable improvements in acceleration and overall engine smoothness. While they are slightly more expensive than budget options, the performance boost and durability justify the cost. Pros: ultra-durable, thick 10.2mm wires, excellent spark delivery. Cons: slightly pricier than some options, may be overkill for casual drivers. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have another offering from ACDelco, the high-performance spark plug ignition wires set. This set is designed for compatibility with a wide range of Chevy, GMC, Cadillac, Buick, and Pontiac vehicles. It features a heavy-duty 10.2mm cable diameter for maximum durability and low resistance. Additionally, the high EMI RFI suppression ensures smooth, interference-free operation. The build quality of these wires is impressive. The silicone coating provides excellent heat resistance, and the thick cable diameter ensures long-term durability. The connectors are direct fit, making installation a breeze. However, the slightly heavier weight of 0.68 kilograms might make them less appealing for those prioritizing lightweight components. In terms of performance, these wires deliver a noticeable improvement in fuel efficiency and smoother acceleration. They're ideal for both casual drivers and performance enthusiasts who want to get the most out of their engine. While they're not the cheapest option on the market, their robust build and excellent performance make them a great value. Pros: durable construction, excellent EMI RFI suppression, smooth performance. Cons: slightly heavier cables, price not disclosed. Finally, at number 1, we have the ACDelco Professional 9748HH Spark Plug Wire Set. This product is a gold standard in the industry, offering exceptional build quality and performance at a competitive price of $59.88. The wires feature a fiberglass and silicone construction for maximum durability and heat resistance, while the terminal design improves spark plug retention and reduces corrosion over time. The design is thoughtfully engineered to provide a perfect fit and watertight seal, ensuring long-lasting performance. At 1.12 pounds, these wires strike a great balance between durability and ease of handling during installation. The insulator uses high dielectric materials, which enhances resistance to electrical leakage and ensures consistent spark delivery. Performance-wise, the ACDelco wires excel. They provide maximum spark delivery, resulting in smoother engine operation, improved fuel efficiency, and reliable ignition even under demanding conditions. The combination of affordability and premium performance makes these wires a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their Silverado. Pros: excellent build quality, reliable performance, competitive price. Cons: none significant for this price point.